Alright, what's going on, guys? Roll cloud. Alright, guys. So today we're gonna be throwing a Hydro E in my Miata. What's up, guys? Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna jack the Miata up real quick by the back end, find the brake line we need to for the rear lights, and not the rear lights, the rear brakes, and then we're going to come over here and we're gonna toss on this hydraulic handbrake straight from eBay. It's been sitting in here forever. Been putting it off, but it's happening. Alright, so I couldn't fit the jack under the back end of the car, so I jacked it up from here. Stuck my hammer underneath of it. And now I'm gonna jack it up from the back. Alright guys, so we got the jack stand set up and the jack in the middle for maximum safety. Got the wheels chalked in the front by some shitty looking chalk. Now, you assholes. Yeah. Dirt nasty low problems. Look at that frame rail. Alright guys. But let me get a light for you guys if I can. This one right here, this brake line is for both rear brakes. Alright, so I have brake line here and we're about to head up to AutoZone to get some fittings. Alright guys, so we are taking Jared's girlfriend's Mini up to AutoZone. It is freezing. Is there a temperature gauge in here about how cold it is outside? Because it is freezing.
7
It's 7 degrees outside. It is so cold for Kentucky. Excuse the super dirty car, but the quirks of this Mini, I can open the hood and I'm the passenger, okay? So if your passenger really hates you, they can open the hood. Alright, what's up guys? So we got the fittings. They only had one of these, so I asked the guy if he had any in the back, and he actually had these. And there's 5 of them in here, and they're longer. And they're actually cheaper than these. So, I don't know why that is, but the AutoZone guy came in clutch, so that's cool. Alright guys, so we have all the required fittings. Douchebags. They're over here trying to figure out where exactly we can put the Hydro E. I guess y'all are taking out the center console. Alright guys, so we took the center console out. Decided we are going to put it right here underneath the carpet. Back a little further. Just out of the way so I can shift. I gotta remove the stock e-brake. Probably put a couple of washers there, but for now, we're just gonna use some self-tappers until later on we can get it done better because it's 11:30 at night. Alright guys, got the Hydro E mounted. You can just, rip it like that. Gonna have to get rid of this one. But yeah, that's where first gear's at, so it's in pretty much a perfect spot. Like my hand's not gonna hit it or anything. Go there really fast. Got it. A second. We should be good. So, since the Hydro E's right here, we're just going to take this line and run it through the transmission shifter hole thing. And then going to form it down underneath the car and see how it goes. Alright, so you're going to want to install your fitting, obviously. Install the flare tool. Make sure the line does not split. If the line splits, cut it and do it again.
Alright guys, if you want precipitation clouds in your garage from vaping, and you want it fast,
Precipitation cloud.
if you want it fast, watch, this is how you do it, right here. And then you crank the hot water on, as hot as you can get it. And then you just keep vaping into the hot water. And then you look across your garage, and then the whole entire garage.
And as you can see, it's gonna start raining in the bay number 3.
Alright, how's it going, guys? It's 2 a.m. and I'm struggling. So I'm over here. I have the outline. So this line goes to the rear wheels. Okay, it goes to that line, that away. Essentially what we're doing here is there's one brake line going to the back, the stock one. We're cutting it in half and putting this in the middle of it. Okay? So this is in from the master cylinder, and that is out to the back brakes. I have that one in. This one is a different size, so what I've been doing is tapping this so that it will accept this size fitting. Alright guys, so I'm underneath the car right now, obviously. Got the flare tool, got all the fittings here. I'm about to connect all this together underneath here so that I can go to bed. Alright, well, what's up, guys? So it's the next morning. I'm out here. I just put this union onto it because the other one was leaking, and I ran JB Weld on the threads just so it doesn't leak. This fitting right here is completely fine. That just broke off because I over tightened it, but it doesn't leak, so whatever. I'm just gonna wait for the JB Weld to dry and reattach that with the union, and we'll be good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is the next night. The Hydro E is installed. It's not leaking. Yeah, this jerry rig. This is just broken off. I don't know if I said that already, but as you can see, the threads are still inside of there. It's not leaking. It's good. This is not JB welded on, okay? I know it looks like it, but it's not. It's threaded in there, and I just put JB Weld on the threads so they got sealed. Because Teflon tape wasn't cutting it. This is cutting it, so yep. And I just screwed this inverted flare union on there. Put the flare fitting into it. Solid, it ain't leaking. Rip on it all you want. We're about to bleed the brakes right after I show you guys what I did under here. And essentially all you do under here, but you take this line right here, as you can see, which is the stock brake line for the rear brakes, split it in half. That is from the master cylinder that goes in to the e-brake, and it goes through the e-brake and comes out to the back wheels here. Okay, so you literally just splice it in. That's all you do. I need to get those up off the ground. I'll do that later. It's no big deal. Alright guys, and for the final, once you're done with all this, you just bleed the brakes like you normally would. We already did that because, you can just look up a video on YouTube if you want.
Boring stuff. All you do is you pump the brake and go back to the fitting on the back.
It's boring stuff you guys don't want to see. But anyway, we're about to get the Miata out of the garage. Alright guys, so that's that. Hydro's in the car. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. There's no drifting this episode, okay? There will definitely be drifting next time. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.